All right, today we're doing an unboxing. We got the shipment in for Master Power Brakes, and we have box 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3. And this is kit number DB15092P. I'll put the part number in the video later. We're gonna go box 1 of 3 first. Nice packing foam. One rotor all wrapped up. Has the races installed. No seal because there's no bearing in it, but rotor's in there. Okay. More cardboard. Another rotor all wrapped up. See anything under? Nope. Nothing under. Okay. So that's box 1 of 1. All done. Let's see. Box 2 of 2. Okay. We have 2 brake hoses going for the front calipers. And look, their part number is HS88423K. 2 brake hoses. And let's see. Combination valve kit, disc to drum. So I'm assuming it says it has the combination valve, pigtails, and fittings. Okay. And then let's see. What do we have here? We have MP. What do we have? Oh, brake pads. Okay. Got those. Close it back up. We might need them in a little bit. Instructions? No, that's just a flyer. All right. Let's see. What do we have here? Oh, this is our brackets. Our spindle brackets. They have them taped really good. Yeah. Spindle brackets. Bolt on in place of where the backing plates were. Alright. Ooh, sounds like hardware. Yes, it is hardware. Seals, bolts, bearings, dust caps. Oh, let's see, look. I bet you there's instructions. Woo. Maybe we'll read those. Maybe we won't, but yeah. Okay, instructions, that's good. Alright, and I am betting we have 2 calipers. Oh yeah, 4 piston calipers. Let's line on it. Oh yeah. Okay. And there would be 2 of them in there. Alright. Last box. Ooh. More instructions. I'm going to guess that's a rod for the extension for the brake pedal.
Would you like me to hold the instructions? Or are you going to keep that?
You can hold the instructions. Are you going to read them to me?
I will.
I may need someone to read them to me. Okay. All right. That looks like a syringe you give the cow medicine with or something. That's all right. And then we have master cylinder and a brake booster rod on it. And wonder why they would have gave you that rod. wonder if you need an extension on certain cars. We'll find out. Let's see, is that all that's in there? Yes. That's all of it. Okay. So, all right. Man, that went through 3 boxes really quick. Okay. So, on the next video, we'll put these on the car. I would do it today, but I know I need brake lines at Napa, so I'm gonna wait till tomorrow and go to Napa when they're open. All right, so hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing. We'll get all these on the car in the next video and see how that turns out. And just maybe we might read the instructions. No guarantees. But, all right. Thanks for watching. And as always, thank you, Lord. Thank you for today.